Hello, in this video I will show you how to update Windows Defender or antivirus in Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. Click on Windows 11 icon and now go into settings. On this window you will find here on the left side privacy and security option. Click on it. On this screen under the security section you will find Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. Now on this screen you will find Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now scroll down this page. Now you will find here Protection Updates. Click on Protection Update. On this screen click on Check for Update. Your system will check for updates. It will take some time. Now you can see here updates are successful. This simple and easy method you can follow to update Windows Defender in Windows 11. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.